Hello students, welcome back to e-learning. Hope you all are safe. Today's contents: equivalent fraction, finding equivalent fraction and checking for equivalence. Equivalent fractions. What is an equivalent fraction? In an equivalent fraction, the value remains the same but the form of fraction changes. Here are some examples.
1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4.
1 by 4 is equal to 2 by 8. 9 by 12 is equal to 3 by 4. Equivalent fractions are equal to one another. Finding equivalent fractions using multiplication. Let us understand why the fraction 1 by 2 is equivalent to 2 by 4 and equivalent to 3 by 6. Let us say how 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. Let's take 1 by 2 and multiply by 2 by 2. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Let's say how 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 6. Let's take 1 by 2 and multiply by 3 by 3. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 6. Let us observe, to find equivalent fractions, we took 1 by 2 and we multiplied both numerator and denominator by the
Same number.
To find equivalent fraction, multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. For example, if we have to find equivalent fraction of 1 by 4, all we need to do is to multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. Take 5 by 5, which gives us 5 by 20.
We get 5 by 20, which is an equivalent fraction of 1 by 4. Now we find the equivalent fraction of 1 by 3.
Let us take 1 by 3 and to find an equivalent fraction, multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. Take 1 by 3 and multiply 2 by 2. We get 1 by 3 into 2 by 2, that is equal to 2 by 6. Take 1 by 3 and multiply by 2 by 2. We get 1 by 3 into 2 by 2, that is equal to 2 by 6. Take 1 by 3 and multiply by 3 by 3. We get 1 by 3 into 3 by 3, that is equal to 3 by 9. We can take any number and multiply by the same number to both numerator and denominator. Take 1 by 3, multiply by 5 by 5. We get 1 by 3 into 5 by 5, that is equal to 5 by 15. These are three equivalent fractions of 1 by 3. Here is another. Write an equivalent fraction of 3 by 4. Take 3 by 4, multiply by 2 by 2. We get 3 by 4 into 2 by 2, that is equal to 6 by 8. Take 3 by 4, multiply by 3 by 3. We get 3 by 4 into 3 by 3, that is equal to 9 by 12. Take 3 by 4, multiply by 4 by 4. We get 3 by 4 into 4 by 4, that is equal to 12 by 16. These are three equivalent fractions of 3 by 4. Finding equivalent fraction using division. We can even divide the numerator and the denominator of a fraction by the same number to find its equivalent fraction. Let's take 4 by 8, divide the numerator and denominator by 2. We get 2 by 4. Let's take 4 by 8, divide the numerator and denominator by 4. We get 1 by 2. Thus, 4 by 8 is equal to 2 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. Example, 6 by 8 is equal to dash by 4. Find its missing numerator. To get 4 from 8, we need to divide by 2 because 4 times 2 is 8. To find equivalent fraction, we need to divide the numerator and denominator by same number. We divide 6 by 2. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3 because 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So, 3 by 4 is equivalent to 6 by 8. Example, 10 by 12 is equal to dash by 6. To get 6 from 12, we need to divide by 2 because 6 times 2 is 12. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5 because 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Thus, 5 by 6 is equivalent to 10 by 12. Find the missing numerator or denominator of these equivalent fractions. First one, 7 by 9 into 8 by 8, that is equal to 56 by 72. Second one, 4 by 7 into 5 by 5 is equal to 20 by 35. Third one, 3 by 8 into 7 by 7 is equal to 21 by 56. Fourth one, 2 by 5 into 9 by 9 is equal to 18 by 45. Checking for equivalence. To check the equivalence of two fractions. To check whether given two fractions are equivalent or not, we cross multiply. We cross multiply numerator 1 with the denominator 2, denominator 1 with the numerator 2. Numerator 1 into denominator 2 is equal to numerator 2 into denominator 1. After cross multiplication, if both the products are equal, so the fractions are equivalent as well. Example, is 4 by 7 equivalent to 16 by 28? 4 into 28 is 112. 16 into 7 is equal to 112. The products are equal. 4 into 28 is equal to 16 into 7. Therefore, 4 by 7 and 16 by 28 are equivalent fractions. Let us take another example. Are 2 by 3 and 4 by 8 equivalent fractions? 2 into 8 is equal to 16. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. They are not equal. Since products 16 and 12 are not equal, 2 into 8 is not equal to 3 into 4. So, these are not equivalent fractions. Kindly complete home assignment in your notebook. Until we meet again, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.